In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set view-only access in Google Sheets. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to share a spreadsheet so people can see it without making changes. This is perfect for reports, dashboards, or any file you want to keep consistent while still keeping your team informed. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with all your Google services. Select Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you don't see it right away, you can scroll within that panel, or open it in a new tab for convenience. Once Sheets opens, choose the document you want to share. If it's not on your home screen, use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Open the file so you're inside the spreadsheet. Now look to the top right of the spreadsheet window and click the Share button. This opens the sharing dialog, which is where all the access settings live. You'll see a field labeled Add People and Groups. Type the email addresses of the people you want to give view-only access to. You can add multiple addresses at once, separated by commas. Take a moment to double-check spellings to make sure the right people get access. To change their permission, click the drop-down that likely says Editor next to their names. This menu lists roles such as Editor, Commenter, and Viewer. Choose Viewer. Viewer means they can open and read your sheet but cannot change values, edit formulas, or rearrange anything. If you've previously shared the file and someone already has higher access, you can use the same drop-down next to their name to downgrade them to Viewer. Before you send the invite, you can write a short message so recipients know what the file is for. Keeping the Notify People box checked is helpful because it emails them the link and sets expectations. When everything looks correct and the role says Viewer, click Send. Google Sheets will confirm that the invitations have been sent and your recipients now have view-only access. That's it. You opened Google Sheets, went into your document, used the Share button, added people by email, changed their role from editor to viewer, and sent the invite. If you ever need to adjust access later, just click Share again, find the person in the list, and update their role the same way. This simple process keeps your data protected while still making it easy for others to follow along.